Sport News 999.
The Samba boys welcomed opposition striker Marcelo Martins into their own team photo. The groundbreaking gesture recognized Martins' close connections with Brazil. He played for the world's most famous football nation up to under-20s level, and his dad is Brazilian. Martins, 30, also featured for top-flight Brazilian teams Vitória and Cruzeiro before joining Shakhtar Donetsk in 2008. He returned to Brazil 4 years later with Grêmio, also playing for Flamengo and Cruzeiro on loan. Martins beamed as he took his place in the pre-match snap alongside Neymar, Dani Alves and company. But the game itself was far more competitive, a lively 0-0 draw at the Estadio Hernando Siles Stadium in La Paz, Bolivia. Admittedly, it was something of a dead rubber, as Brazil have already qualified for Russia 2018 as unbeaten group winners. And Bolivia know they will not be traveling to the finals next year. But, largely thanks to keeper Carlos Lamp, Bolivia at least kept up their 32-year undefeated record against Brazil in home World Cup qualifiers. Paris Saint-Germain's £198 million world record by Neymar twice went close on a difficult surface before Manchester City striker Gabriel Jesus flicked a second-half cross against the bar. But Bolivia held on as their battling qualities belied their poor qualification campaign overall. And it confirmed a memorable night for Martins, who has played for Chinese Super League sides Chongqing Yali and Wuhan Zali in the last 2 seasons.